Hi friends, welcome to our channel Global Health Helpline. Now, we are going to learn a homeopathic medicine Sambucus Nigra from the book Keynotes and Characteristics with comparisons of some of the leading remedies of Materia Medica by John Henry Clay Allen, MD. Let's begin. Sambucus Nigra. Common name Elder. Family Caprifoliaceae. Adapted to diseases of scrofulous children, which affect the air passages specially. Persons formerly robust and fleshy, suddenly become emaciated like iodium and tuberculinum. Bad effects of violent mental emotions, anxiety, grief, or excessive sexual indulgence like phosphoric acid and Phos. Oedmatous swelling in various parts of the body, especially in legs, instep and feet. Dry coryza of infants, that is sniffles, nose dry and completely obstructed, preventing breathing and nursing like ammon carb and nux vomica. Dyspnoea, child awakens suddenly nearly suffocated, face livid, blue, sits up in bed, turns blue, gasps for breath, which it finally gets, attack passes off but is again repeated, child inspires but cannot expire like chlorine and Meph, sleeps into the attack like lachesis. Compare Aurum drac. In Miller's asthma. Attacks of suffocation as in last stage of croup. Cough, suffocative, with crying children, worse about midnight, hollow, deep whooping, with spasm of chest, with regular inhalations but sighing exhalations. Cough deep, dry, precedes the fever paroxysm. Fever, dry heat while he sleeps, on falling asleep, after lying down, without thirst, dreads uncovering. Remember, dear doctors and my friends, in case of nux vomica, it must be covered in every stage of fever. Profuse sweat over entire body during waking hours, on going to sleep, dry heat returns. Sweats as soon as he closes his eyes to sleep, in case of cinchona and conium. Relations. Compare cinchona, chlorine, ipechuch, Meph and sulfur. Relieves ailments from abuse of arsenicum. Follows well after opium in bad effects of fright. Aggravation. During rest and after eating fruit. Amelioration. Sitting up in bed. Motion. Most of the pains occur during rest and disappear during motion, like rustiox.
Thanks for watching. Full video, please subscribe the channel and like us.